Of course, we all knew that this was going to happen, that the minute the puppies showed up, there were going to start to be all sorts of gratuitous videos showing up on the blog. This would be our friend Eleonora, better known as Nora, and then this would be Fantastico Nicky, well, at least the back end of him, until he wanders in to take a look and see what's in the fridge. Yes, well,
Oh, okay.
a rope is far more interesting.
What? Oh. Oh.
Well, finally I figured out which setting to use on the camera. Now we're sort of getting a full color as opposed to some sort of strange cinematography setup. And Nora's really taken to the rope. Problem is that both she and Nikki quite often seem to want the same rope, but they'll figure it out amongst themselves, I'm sure. She was very passive coming home in the car, but she's now shown that she's a little more aggressive than we thought she was. Yeah, well, some puppy play. We're going to have to see who exactly is in charge in this household. It certainly can't be the two humans. No. Anyway, they'll work it out amongst themselves, I'm sure. They always do.